Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the Rough Country heavy duty front and rear floor mats available in the textured black finish for all 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. Now we're taking a look at this on our 2014 double cab here. These floor liners are a one-piece over the hump floor mat that's going to completely protect your floorboards on your driver and passenger side, as well as the rear, all in one coverage piece. Now these are specifically molded to your vehicle, so they're a perfect fit to every curve, divot, lump, hump, everything. Completely covered in a snug fit, which is something I really like. There's a lot of floor mats out there that are more universal, that just slide in, kind of like your factory ones, that cover just a small section of the carpeting and really aren't molded to that truck. These are a perfect fit to this double cab every time. Now, in addition to that, they're a high caliber polyethylene construction, basically a very flexible, eco-friendly rubber that's gonna hold its shape over time. It's not gonna fade, it's not gonna warp, it's not gonna curve, especially in higher temperatures, and even in low temperatures, it's gonna keep its same shape all year round. Now, something else that's really cool about it, that polyethylene here does have a very grippy textured black finish to it. It's also gonna be very slip resistant and has a bunch of channels you see here on the driver and passenger side to help guide any mud, sand, sleet, ice, water, whatever the case may be, your spilled coffee in the morning, whatever the case may be. It's gonna trap all that liquid into this channeled section here. When it's time to take them out to clean them, you can really cup them and get them out without everything spilling everywhere, which is something I really like about it. So if you're using your truck to its fullest potential, you might want something to protect that factory carpeting. If that's what you're looking for, this is a great way to go. On the driver's seat here, what I like to highlight is that this mat goes straight up under the pedals. So when you're reaching for the pedals, if you put your foot all the way back on the dead pedal, you're hitting all mat. Nothing your foot touches here on the driver, passenger, or the rear seats is gonna touch factory carpeting. You're using your truck to the fullest potential, man. You know that your boots get dirty, your shoes get dirty, your guests are gonna be dirty, and this is a great way to keep your truck clean. Something else I like has that Rough Country logo on the side here. It's in that black and red, which is that really nice color contrast that a lot of people like. I think looks pretty good. It's not too in your face, but it lets you know that they're Rough Country. It also extends into the door sills a little bit, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, just to give you a little bit of that extra coverage. And it also protects the kick panel here. So getting in and out of the truck, a lot of us tend to smack our feet on that kick panel. This is gonna protect that from scuffs. And if you do scuff it up, it's very easy to clean. Same thing goes for the back. Front and back both get that over the hump one piece, so that middle section where your center console is, or behind that center stack in your third seating on the back, you're gonna get that floor coverage as well. And the back seats also extend directly under the seating. If you store anything back there, things that may have hit the ground on the outside, if you're throwing something under the rear seats in the back, it's gonna be right on top of that mat too. So a lot of extended coverage with this product. The kit comes with the front and rear over the hump mats for just about 160 bucks. Personally, I think that's a great price here. Install is gonna get 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, of course. Anybody can tackle it in like 10 minutes from start to finish. If you've got a dirty truck and you gotta clean some stuff out, it might take you a little longer, but all we had to do is pop off our factory mats and lay these guys in place. The front ones come with retainer clips, so when you're installing them on the front, the driver's side is gonna snap into those factory retainer sections so it doesn't slide all around as you're driving in the truck, and you can't kick it and move it around with your feet. Now it's gonna take you, again, about 10 minutes start to finish. I'm gonna show you every step. Let's get to it. Guys, the install for the floor liners is obviously gonna be very straightforward. If you do have factory floor liners, which we do here in our 2014, what we're gonna do is just pop them out, toss them aside. You don't wanna place your Rough Country floor liners over top of them. Make sure you're removing anything that's there. So on our passenger side, obviously they just come right out. The driver's side, we'll walk over there and grab that. Those just unsnap and you can take them off. All right, for the install here, what I like to do is just throw the steering wheel all the way up, give yourself a little bit more room. What we're gonna do is feed this over the center console so that the passenger side is on the passenger side. You want the top of it or the front of it facing downward. We're gonna angle it down and feed it in under the pedal. So you just wanna feed that under your pedals, push it down into the passenger side, get at the seat. Now it does have those little retainer clips on the driver's side on the floorboard. So just pop it up, check out where that's gonna be, press it in, you'll hear a little click or a little snap. It's good here on the driver's side. Passenger side looks like it's fitting properly, so now we can move on to the back. Now I just wanna take a quick comparison between our factory floor mat here and the Rough Country. Now, they're floor mats, right? We know exactly what they do. They protect the carpeting. But one thing to highlight here is the design on the factory floor mat has a lot of weather channels here to keep in moisture and water and whatever spills. But the lack of coverage here with the factory floor mat is what's going to prevent it from being a really effective floor mat. The new Rough Countries are covering almost 100% of the surface area, whereas this, I want to say, covers maybe 50%. It's leaving a lot to be desired with the carpeting coverage, so upgrading from this to the Rough Country, night and day difference. This is a much more flexible material and does have these little cleat-like spikes on the back to really grip the carpet, but this guy is completely custom molded and is, covering every aspect of the floor. So flexible, non-flexible, this is still a more durable mat. Which I am very impressed by. So as far as coverage is concerned, that's really the main takeaway. Factory floor mats are fine. They're not very attractive. These, I think, have that nice textured black finish and offer just 100% coverage. At the end of the day, these are just never gonna be as good as a full coverage over the hump floor mat. For the back side here, guys, what you might want to do to make your life easier the first time you install it is just shuffle your front seats forward as far as they go, or at least a little bit further than all the way back. Just gives you a little more room to work with here the first time you put those down. From here, what we're gonna do, of course, just pop off those factory mats and set them aside. All right, with those factory mats out of the way, let's just throw our rear seats upward. Give us more room so we can lay this completely flat. All right, so again, just like the front, top down, I think is a little bit easier. We're gonna feed them into position. Right over the hump here, it lays just into the perfect molding of the way that hump goes. From here, throw down your seats and you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my quick overview and install for the Rough Country heavy duty front and rear floor mats in that textured black finish for the 14 to 18 Silverado 1500. If you're looking to protect your factory interior, specifically those carpeting and the side trims, this is a great way to go. You can pick up your set, front and rear, right here at AmericanTrucks.com.